my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. It is 2021, the first video I am filming in 2021. You did see one on a Sunday that was pre-recorded in 2020. This is the first video I'm filming in 2021. It's crazy. First of all, I'm going to put on some lip balm and we're just going to talk and tell you some of my favourite products that I have found during the kind of 2020. Just to let you know, I know my face is a little bit thingy, but I have tan today. That's why I'm more like not the same colour. But I'm just gonna have a drink. I chose the berry from Morrison's. So good. So first of all, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put primer. So what I'm going to do is use the e.l.f. Poreless Bright Primer. I have found this in 2020 and oh my god, I'm telling you something. I love this. Found this in 2020, bought it in 2020, and I've been using it ever since. It is really good. It's just the normal poreless putty primer, and I'm telling you something. I have been loving this. It is so good. Oh, this feels really good. I like the putty primer because I just do it to basically get all my pores done with. And then I've got two primers. I've never used this before. This is the Bare Minerals Prime Time, which I'm going to use this in a different video. I'm going to use the Huda Beauty that I got obsessed with in like November or December. I bought this, and it is the Huda Beauty Water Jelly. It is so good. It is so nice. It is so cooling. It's so good. As you can see, I've already done my brows. The only thing I found with my brows is I think it was it? No. It was definitely last year I bought it. Was it last year? Yeah, I believe the brow styler came out last year. So I hadn't found any new brow products to try because, do you know what? I haven't found any. I just thought, like, no, why not? So the foundation I'm going to use today, it is the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Foundation. It is so good. I absolutely love it. I do apply this on with a brush and it is really, really good. I've absolutely been loving this foundation. It is really, really good. So I do apply this on with a brush because I believe that is the best application, but oh my good grief. I absolutely love this so much. It's just a really good foundation. I just love it. Like I just stuff it into my skin. And I absolutely love the colour. The colour goes really well with me as well, which I absolutely love that the colour goes well with my tan. Oh, it just puts your skin really nicely. Now it is time to cream contour. I love cream contouring. I love it so much. I got this. This is the My Perfect Foundation and Stick Foundation and Contour Stick in the shade Caramel. When I saw Jordan Lipskin was using this, when I saw her use that, I had to buy it. And I did. And you know what? I absolutely freaking love it. It's just a really good product to use. Now I go on with a brush first. And then I do blend it out with a sponge. When primer's back open, you know, when I don't have my tier 4, like if your primer's open, I'd get it. It's in the shade Caramel, and it's such easy to use as well because it just blends so nicely with everything. Like it looks harsh now, but when I go over it with a sponge, which is what I do, it just looks phenomenal. It just looks so good. It just looks fantastic. So I'm going to start with my butter thing. Just going to blend it. And when I blend it, it just looks so much nicer. Like all these harsh lines will disappear. And it will look really good. It'll pick up excess product as well. That's why I like using it with a sponge. So if I do find that I need a little bit more, I do go back in and do a little bit more. So I always go back in just to do a little bit more. If I need a little bit more, I always take it down here as well because I've got a round face. I want to bring my face thinner. And it brings a dimension back into your face. It just brings it all back in. and it's just fantastic. I love how this looks. Now, before concealer, my favourite concealer that I've been using the past, in fact 2020, was my Born This Way concealer in the shade Almond. This is a game changer. It is so good. I can't believe it. I was like, oh my god, this is really good. This is 15ml, and I'll show you the difference between my foundation and this. This is the difference, but it's so good. I still have a lot of product left in this, and it doesn't look like it's going to run out anytime soon. So what I do is I just go in with my beauty sponge and just blend it out again, and it just lightens up and highlights the edge that I need to highlight. It does look a little bit bright, so don't worry about that. I'm going to do my contour for my nose again. There we go. So what I'm going to do now is I now bake underneath my eyes, but I don't bake a lot because I know what it can get like when I bake. I do know that, so I do it lightly. It's still the same. I will use Fenty Beauty. That's how much I have left. It's getting there. It is getting there. Out of my face. This is in the shade Butter, so it does have some colour into it. I always stroke my face just to make sure that... The reason I do stroke my face is to make sure that the powder has been on there and it has set everywhere. So anything I use won't go patchy. And then for another brush, I go into my eye. Now, my bronzing pad that I've been using constantly is the, oh god, is from Primark. It's the PS range again. It's my Perfect Colour Foundation Buildable Pressed Powder, and it is this, and it is in the shade Cinnamon, which is a gorgeous shade. But I just put it on. I'm telling you something, it completes my look. The blush I've been using constantly in 2020 is the Benefit Galaforina blush. I still love this stuff. It is just so good. I just love it. Then I do my nose contour. My nose contour is my holy grail, and I've been starting to nose contour with Huda, and it is just the perfect thing to nose contour with. Like, it is just that good. I've been loving the shimmery bronzer, and the shimmery bronzer that I'm going to use is the Leary palette, and it is the Golden Hour shade. It is beautiful, so I just put it onto my forehead, just a light dusting. That is all you need, just a light dusting, and it just makes my foundation look better. Just a light dusting. And it is gorgeous. It's just a light dusting, and that is the light dusting that I need. The highlight that I've been tossing up and turning for ages are Get It Poppin' and the Soph one, and the Soph one is so good. I'm just going to set my face. The setting spray that I've been loving is the Morphe setting spray. Look how much this just sets down your makeup. I've used it. Sometimes I tend to use this and then put highlighter on, but it depends what mood I'm in. I'm in one of the moods when I want to put highlighter on after my setting spray. Now it's time to do the highlighter, and I just do circular motions. Oh. I just go circular motions, and my highlighter is popping. And then I will put some highlighter underneath my brow bone and in the inner corner of my eyes. The same highlighter. In 2020, I discovered a lip combo that I fell in love with, but we're not doing that today because it's such good. And the lip combo I'm talking about is the Jeffree Star and the Jeffree Star liquid lipstick in Celebrity Skin Top with Those Colours Can You Not. I'm telling you something, that is to die for, but we're not doing it today because we're doing a bold lip and we're doing a wing. So I'm going to do my wing, and like I always do, so let's get on with it and do my wing. Okay, I've matched them as I could, but that's a bit that's all I could do. So I've got my winged eyeliner. Now I'm going to curl and I'm going to do mascara. This eyeliner is alright. It is, I got it from a glossy box and it's Ilmasque Eye Liner. It has got a felt tip, so if you don't like felt tip, I wouldn't get this. If you don't like dragging, don't get this, but you just have to work with it and you get wings like this, but it is black. And I've been loving the MASQD eyelash colours. I think these are really good. I'm not going to wear any falsies because I just want normal ones, but if you want to wear some falsies, the falsies that I've been obsessing over are from Amy Rose Cosmetics, and this is in the Star Lola. She has 4 packs. She has 5 packs now, which is called Lulu, which I want to get, but these are the dramatic ones. I've been wearing these constantly non-stop and they are my go-to lash. They are perfect. The mascara I'm just going to use is a KVD Go Big or Go Home. I've tried it, but I haven't really put it to the test because I've always wore falsies with this. Okay, the mascara's okay, but it's just not blowing me away. Now for the lips. I'm going to do so this is a winged liner with a bold lip, and I'm going to do Jeffree Star Exchange Dawson. Jeffree, what the fuck? And I love this shade. Jeffree, what the fuck is just a very magenta kind of shade, and it smells so good. So this is the complete look that I've got for you today. I want to know more about what I used in 2020 and what I loved. Just stay tuned and we'll talk about it in the next video. But yeah, that is some of the stuff that I've been loving in 2020. But this is the actual look that I've got for you today. I love it. I just think it's just, I just freaking love it. I just feel like it's out of this world and I freaking love it. Like, why not do a bold lip with a winged liner? I mean, it's just really good. It stands out as well. Your eyes stand out. If you want to, you can put a black eyeliner in your tear duct at the bottom. But other than that, I absolutely do love the look. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. If you want to subscribe to my channel, subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.